Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. It's that time of year where we try to remember all the things that we are thankful for. And one of the things that we are most thankful for is all of you out there. So, from our family to yours, we want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving and a happy holiday. Now, if you need some advice, need some tips on carving that turkey, I know it's in the oven right now. You're probably getting nervous about carving that turkey up. Guess what? All you gotta do is click right there. Right there. You can click right there. You can get some tips and tricks on how to carve a turkey. It's not that hard. I can do it, and I'm not even that good. But I can do it. And if I can do it, you can do it. I promise. Now, also, to show you how thankful we are, we've got some pretty great Black Friday deals going on all the way through Cyber Monday. So, for all of those, you can click right there. No, right there. I faked myself out on that one. Click right there. Or in the description below, we're gonna have links to the turkey carving video and the Black Friday deals in the description below as well. So folks, like I said, we're thankful for all of you because we couldn't do what we do without all of you out there. So, from all of us here at SMKW, happy Thanksgiving.